G'day, mates! How you going? Alpha Lion Simba here, and welcome to another episode of Wonders from Down Under. Since this is the month of Halloween, I think it's time I talk about one of Australia's bats. About 1/4 of the world's mammal species are bats, and there's some very fascinating types of bats living in Australia. And tonight, we're talking about the ghost bat. Cue the intro. The ghost bat is endemic to northern Australia. At present, these large bats are found in Western Australia, Queensland, and the Northern Territory. A fully grown ghost bat weighs 4.4 ounces, is 4.6 inches long, and has a wingspan of about 500 millimeters. The ghost bat gets its name from its appearance. It has light gray to white fur, long ears that are joined at the base, and a leaf-shaped nose. The function of the shape of the nose is to help the bat focus the calls that it emits while using echolocation. Ghost bats are carnivores. In the wild, they eat mice, birds, insects, even other bats. Like many bats, ghost bats find their prey via echolocation, and once they find their prey, they kill them with a bite to the head or the back of the neck. Bones, fur, and feathers are all consumed along with the victim's flesh. After finding a handy place to roost, the bat eats its meal whole before flying off to find more food. Unless it can find bigger prey, it will be many more hours before it can head back to the safety of its cave. Although they don't hibernate, ghost bats are not active during the daylight hours. During the day, they roost in caves or hollow trees, and they roost alone, in pairs, or as small groups. Female bats give birth to only one pup at a time during the late spring. Maternity colonies are founded in large and open caves, and they stay there until the young are reared. For most of their youth, the pups cling to their mothers' bellies. The young bats begin to fly when they are only 7 weeks old, and when they're 3 months old, they are ready to start eating meat. A ghost bat reaches maturity at 2 years old. It is assumed that ghost bats live around 20 years in the wild. The ghost bat is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, and its population in the wild is decreasing. Its main threat is habitat loss. The forests where it finds its prey are being cleared away for agriculture, and mining is a direct threat to the bats as it destroys caves, which are their primary roosts. There are between 7,000 and 9,000 ghost bats left in the wild. Well, that was it. my Wonders from Down Under episode on the ghost bat. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave requests in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alpha Lion Simba, out.